Are you looking for the best gas cans in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best gas cans that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the DuraMax Flow Ngola Fluid Transfer Pump 14-gallon rolling gas can. Landscape gardeners, after a bit more functionality, when at their clients' homes, can't go too far wrong with this really useful piece of equipment. And if the actual container of this product for getting fuel into a variety of tools and vehicles is not impressive enough, the Flow Ngo Fuel Transfer Pump will be the icing on the cake. Outdoor lovers looking forward to days out on their jet ski or speedboat will definitely want to put this awesome 14-gallon drum and pump in the back of their vehicle before setting off for some fun in the sun. And apart from an array of commercial machinery and toys for the water, as already mentioned, this cool fuel provider is very suitable for gardening gear too. What could be more reassuring than knowing that we can get stuck into a spot of gardening without having to interrupt our fun by having to drive down to the gas station for fuel? The fact that this one of the best gas cans is mounted onto a frame with big, chunky, and uncompromising wheels will allow green-fingered users to take it easy as they move the unit from one part of the garden to another. Moreover, the fair length and hose allows an effortless action when filling engines of all varieties. Up next in the 4th place is the no-spill 1455-gallon poly gas can. Adventurous people who love nothing more than being quite slap-happy at times could be constantly on the lookout for locations to take unplanned drives to. However, rather than being too haphazard when getting gear ready for a road trip, it pays to ensure you can reduce the possibility of anything going wrong. Drivers that have a couple of no-spill 1455-gallon poly gas cans in the trunk of their car will at least be prepared for the eventuality of running seriously low on gas whilst on the road. Of course, if we happen to be road less traveled without any sign of a gas station for miles around, we would be silly not to have one or more cans full of fuel. But even though avid day trippers should be proud of the fact they have a backup plan in the form of 10 or so gallons of gas in a couple of containers, it's really important to have taken along good quality cans. And as this best option in containers for fuel is in top position due to its variety of awesome features, it would be a smart move to purchase at least one of these. What this basically means to say is that although one can for carrying gas in may look just like any other to many people, some gas containers are in fact much better options in terms of functionality and durability. This can for gas that we have in our top slot certainly falls into this category. Make sure you also check our guide to the best car gadgets. The 3rd product on our list is the Eagle UI50FS Red Galvanized Steel Type gasoline safety can. Whether you are someone who likes to surprise their partner at the weekend with a nice trip to somewhere less crowded, or you are a keen gardener, buying a good quality gas container is bound to come in real handy at times. However, it is important to appreciate that one of the best gas can options around these days will not always have the sorts of features that you may be after. One thing that has to be said about Eagle UI50FS Red Galvanized Steel Type gasoline safety can though is just how well made it is. Indeed, if you are inclined to throw your gas containers around without too much care taken by chucking it to the back end of your shed, having an extremely durable can for gas will pay dividends. And as there are more than this important feature to appreciate with this gas carrying item, such as the Comfort Grip trigger release, it shouldn't be too long for potential consumers of this product to be bowled over by its robust beauty. The brightly colored parts of the container and funnel make this gas can a very safe option too. If you need a handy gift for car lovers in your life, this might be the answer. 2nd on our list is the Shurkin Easy Pour 5-gallon gas can. All of the best gas cans have a well-designed spout for pouring. The Shurkin Easy Pour 5-gallon gas can is no different. It has a flexible plastic spout that can rotate completely and is easy to fit into any machine. The pouring is controlled by a thumb trigger that is perfectly placed next to the handle, so you don't have to stretch. Plus, there are 2 hand grips at the bottom of the gas can that allow you to hold the can without any chance of it slipping. The designers of this product have done everything possible to make it easy to pour, and we're happy to say that it's worked. Finally, the top product on our list is the GarageBOSS GB310 Red 1 Plus Gallon Press and Pour Gas Can. Life can be difficult enough at the best of times without pouring fuel into our ride and other engines being a real nightmare. One way to avoid an unpleasant time when filling up our car or outdoor pursuit vehicles would be to invest in a proper fuel dispensing unit like this. The main reason why the GarageBOSS GB310 is so well sought after is the very easy to use press and pour system incorporated into the design. And not only does this design feature on one of the best gas cans help guard against spillage when filling up, but also helps the user avoid putting too much gas in the vehicle or other engine they are getting ready for use. And as the lightest model in our comprehensive buying guide list, it's no wonder that there is plenty of interest in this item from people from all walks of life with one thing in common: not liking the idea of putting their back out of place. The very convenient operating system and extremely lightweight design apart. This leader in the better options of the poly gas can includes a fantastic ergonomic spout grip, making the product even easier to use. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.